I'm Jennifer and I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School. My main project is the IoT location sensing frame, and this is my third milestone video. So my third milestone was simply completing the frame, which includes assembling the frame, cutting out my location icons and labels, and keeping my various components secure within the frame. So I used Autodesk Fusion 360, which is a cloud-powered 3D CAD software, to design my labels and use the CNC to cut them out. The CNC we used was a hobbyist CNC router that uses a Dremel as the machining head. And so the program takes the design, and the CAM software is what converts it to G-code, and G-code is what the CNC then takes, so it knows the X, Y, and Z coordinates of where it should go and what parts it should cut out. So after I cut out my parts, as you can see here, I spray painted them white, and then I hot glued them to the backing of the frame. I also cut out a little corner here in the back so that I could put the wires of the LED strip through, so I could hide the power adapter, the particle, and the switch on the back side. So I did encounter a few struggles while doing this. So initially I thought I could use a handsaw and cut out my pieces from wood and make my entire frame from scratch, but I came to realize that it wasn't as clean cut as I hoped, even after hours of sanding. So I decided that it would be more efficient, it would look better if I bought a pre-made frame from Target. I also had a few problems with the CNC. For instance, we had to manually adjust in the CAD software, to adjust the widths of some of the letters because it would be too thin for the drill head to cut through. Also, I did cut out some of my location labels using the CNC, however the CNC kind of broke, so we had to use paper instead, as you can see here. Throughout this process, I learned how to use the handsaw because I was planning on cutting out my wood pieces, and also how to use the CAD software to design my parts and then use the CNC to cut them out. So yeah, this project has been pretty fun to watch come all together. As you can see here, this right now it shows that I'm at school, my mom's at home, my dad's at work, and my sister is lost. But yeah, so I think this is overall a really practical project that I can continue using even outside of the program, and I look forward to adding potential modifications in the future, which may include my OLED display and also maybe other displays if I can figure out what I want to use them for. But yeah, thank you.